We do events like this globally, all over. Briefly, just describe that value to the company itself when we participate in events like this.
It's really important for a global organization like us to have really a global coverage at events, not just from a cultural aspect. How does an industry tick? What are the current challenges that the industry is facing in that specific market? But for us, it's also like seeing us in Singapore, seeing us in Latin America, seeing us in the North American region, seeing us here in Europe is for our customers reassurance. It's building confidence in our brand. It's building confidence in the things that we say, that we are consistent in what we are delivering. It's building trust. So from our standpoint, being present, physically present, is a must-have for a global organization.